Equity Group Holdings has reported a profit after tax of 29.6 billion shillings for the half-year ending June 2024. Releasing the results at the head office at Equity Centre in Nairobi, the Group Managing Director and CEO Dr. James Mwangi said the profit grew by 12% in a difficult environment.
So profit after tax has grown from 26.3 billion to 29.6 billion. And I promise to the shareholders that, our dividend seems assured this year. Earnings are growing at 12%.
Dr. Mwangi said the group performance was achieved despite high interest rates and volatile exchange rates across the markets that the group operates in.
The good thing, as we can see from the curves, the projections that we shall start a downward spiral on most of the macro market prices and specifically interest rates. And early signs that this has kicked off are with us. In the region, we have seen the Central Bank of Kenya, the Bank of Uganda cut interest rates. And globally, we have seen Canada, we have seen Germany, we have seen UK, and European Investment Bank cut their rates, suggesting that the prediction will soon be with us.
It is noteworthy that Equity Group Foundation has become a handy arm of the group, facilitating training and funding youth to establish enterprises.
We saw 113 of these young scholars at the age of 18 get their global scholarships, 13 of them to Ivy League schools, distributed among 27 countries. So we get very, very happy when we see this impact that the foundation continues to give. But it is in enterprise where the foundation has outperformed itself, identifying young people, training them on entrepreneurship, providing funding for them. And we have seen 600,000 enterprises started in the last 3 years, and between them creating 1.3 million jobs.
Dr. Mwangi said the group continues to diversify its operations, making inroads in the insurance sector.
Build on the same philosophies of the banking group: accessibility, relevance, and suitability of offering, affordability for the masses, and a reliable provider, the Equity Group brand. And we can see the objective is to have socio-economic impact in increased insurance penetration, improved quality of life, vibrant economy, and peace of mind because risks have been taken. And I'm happy to say we have crafted the products appropriately. We have mapped these across the African Recovery and Resilience Plan such that the development of Africa is in a safe manner where insurance products are used to provide cover.
Backed by its motto, growing together in trust, Equity has seen deposits grow to 1.3 trillion shillings, with its customer base now at 20.7 million.
We can see the stability of the balance sheet, the stability in terms of customer deposit growth, given we are a liability-led balance sheet.
Shareholders' funds grew by 13% to 220 billion shillings, strengthening the group's ability to underpin the private sector-led Africa Resilience and Recovery Plan, ARRP.
The group has committed itself under the African Recovery and Resilience Plan to provide the liquid financing in partnership with collaborating partners to ensure the region grows very differently.
The GCU said the group's transformation has gone beyond regional and product offering diversification to a technology-led business under one equity offering.
We have seen agency bounce back. People are now again back to the agencies, now at 9%, up from 6%. Broadly, the customers are now at third-party infrastructure. If you add the 84% plus 9, we are talking about 93% of all transactions are happening outside our infrastructure. Third-party and self-serving devices, where you delivered and parallel convenience, where you overcome the challenge of time, distance, and location.
Equity, which has been named top financial brand in Africa and the second strongest banking brand in the world, now has the highest market capitalization in Sub-Saharan Africa.
We're excited that Equity Group is now later the most valuable brand in East and Central Africa, starting with the Nairobi Stock Exchange. Equity was ranked the strongest bank in Sub-Saharan Africa in terms of market cap, and being the Sub-Saharan champion in market cap across the two major markets of Lagos and Nairobi.